All right, I wanted to go over this existing conditions folder. If you open this, this has a huge site from the original Austin download with the contours in the background, and you can open this up and look at it, but I also went in and made this site drawings in feet folder. And these are some additional PDFs. I'm sure that the group will go over them when we talk about them, but if you look at this site drawings in feet, you have 2D flattened, and then you have some of the same information with 3D contours. So if I go to 2D flattened, there is 2 sets of drawings, and they each have a small block. So this is the site block. Then there's a hyper block that has a really big all the way down to the river. And then there's a super block that, sorry, this isn't very big, but it covers sort of the block around the building. So this one's kind of just the block. So these are sizes. And they have the new survey that we got from Page, and I updated these. So if I open up this guy, which don't open these from the server, please. Copy them down before you open them, because I'm kind of opening them over the internet. But I did go in and kind of put in a version of what's here and put in the new building, with a caveat that these have not been verified and they're not exact, and we don't have a plan of the Indeed building yet, so we need to sort of do that. We might go out and get some more accurate measurements of these. So this is in each one of those drawings. And then let me go ahead and close this. No, not going to save it. And then, so that's in each one of these drawings, and they just have different sizes. If you go to the original site, this has the original Austin site without the new survey in it. And this is the new survey with all of the kind of information that I sort of parsed out of the first one. And then the 3D contours has the same information, but the contours are in 3D. So if I open up this guy, again, please don't open them from the server. Copy them down if you're going to open them. But if we look at these in the side view, so the contours are 3-dimensional. So you can actually go in and make a site topo from them. So if you don't need 3D information, use the 2D ones, but if you need to make topo stuff, then you can use the 3D ones. So that's pretty much what we have. And please copy them down to your machine before you open them, so you don't open them on the server and use up our bandwidth that way. Okay. All right, great.